that requires you to always be in front of the screen. Most of the time, people who are always talking in front of the screen are not exactly that profitable. So shout out to the top-down analysis and the Forex Mastery course. Obviously, the top-down analysis is in the Forex Mastery course. If you want to grab the Forex Mastery program, which I feel you should do, so that you have enough time to do other things, the link is going to be in the description as always, or around.
All right, guys, today we're going to be checking out the amazing Dapo Willis video. We're going to look at his trading. We're going to break down how he's making so much money. We know what it is, guys. So remember, guys, we are live, and if you have any questions or comments, just post them. And also, guys, subscribe to the channel.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Subscribe now.
No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
And today I got a special gift for you guys. I got the new Dapo Willis link just for you guys. You'll see click the links below, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's check out this video, see what he's talking about, and let's see if is it cap or is it all true.
Stop the cap.
Let's play.
How's it going, people? How's it going, Forex traders? My name is Dapo Willis, and I want to use the opportunity to officially welcome you guys back to my YouTube channel. The reason I'm saying welcome back, and I feel like I always do this. I'm here for a while, and then I disappear for a bit, and then I come back. But
he needs more money.
the honest truth, the reason why I do that is taking breaks from the market is absolutely necessary. But nevertheless, this time around, I feel like I'm back for good. I'm back for a longer period of time. Now, if you're just joining me for the first time, this is basically a segment of my YouTube channel whereby I come to take you guys behind the scenes into what exactly it is I am trading. Last year,
Behind the scenes, you mean what? I don't know.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Trading view?
alone, I made over $95 million trading the Forex market. So if there's any Forex
95 million. Has anyone seen a P&L live trade? I mean, we're talking about a lot of money here. So I think some type of government agency, something like maybe out there, you know, let's check it out. Maybe he's, you know, spin on some game right now.
you want to be listening to this industry, it is me. It's me, Dapo Willis. Now, guys, before I dive into the charts, before I show you guys the pairs I'm looking at Euro USD, dollar-based pairs. Basically, I think US dollar is about to start trading. I know I've been saying this for the longest time, but I feel like certain breakouts are happening, and I'm going to be taking you guys into my charts. But before I dive into the nitty-gritties of today, before I jump into the chart,
oh my god, is he about to do it?
there's certain things I would just like to quickly share with you guys. Address, most of you guys who are watching this video, you're very strong followers of myself. Most of you guys have used my channel, used my videos to make a lot of money for yourself in the Forex market. So there are certain things I just wanted to quickly talk about before we get into the video. Now, the very first thing I just wanted to quickly address was, where has Dapo Willis been? Why is it that I always take
Why is he always speaking third person? Like I never understand that.
breaks from YouTube to do all things? What exactly is going on? Now, the gospel truth is the way I like to trade the Forex market, or rather the way I trade, actually, my strategy gives me the opportunity of freedom. I have the ability to place my trade, the way I look at the market, right? The way I perceive the Forex market with the top-down analysis. Most of you guys are Forex mastery students, you understand what I mean. Once I do my projection, maybe 500, 600, 700, 900 pips, 1,000, whichever it gets, 2,000.
Dang, all those pips.
Stop the cap.
Has anyone seen it live? Like, has anyone actually seen them break down the trades and who's actually like letting these transactions going through? Like, I would like to see the clearinghouse for this. Like, for me, when I start hearing stuff like that from him and then it immediately goes into the best clip in the world,
Scamming everybody now.
to me it seems like the argument would be better for selling than it is for trading.
1,000 pips. I come to my computer, I set my trade, and it takes a while for my targets to be hit. Between when I set my trades and between that period and when the market hits target, there's a lot of time, there's a lot of free time for me to do other stuff. I like to trade this way because this is exactly how Forex trading should be traded, to be honest. The Forex market is an investment vehicle that is supposed to work
And remember,
for
guys,
you.
I'm actually reviewing this for the first time, so I'm listening to this, waiting for it, and I just can't wait, because I got shown this, that he had a new video come out, and I'm like, yes, finally, he's gonna be, you know, showing us all his live trading.
Allegedly, that's ignorant.
Run away from any strategy that requires you to always be in front of the screen. Most of the time, people who are always talking in front of the screen are not exactly that profitable. So shout out to the top-down analysis and the Forex Mastery course. Obviously, the top-down analysis is in the Forex Mastery course. If you want to grab the Forex Mastery program, which I feel you should do, so that you have enough time to do other things, the link is going to be in the description.
Click the link!
Click the link below. Hurry up now. Click the link below, please. Why aren't you clicking the link? Click the link below now.
I hope you guys like the first link. Oh man, I can't wait to play the next one.
As always, or around here. That's one thing. Secondly, what do I do with my free time? It's a very good question.
We all want to know, because I mean that's what it's on my mind. Like I really like this bit. Like, oh, what is Dapo doing in his free time?
What?
Like, come on, what is Dapo Willis doing? Like, come on now, no one cares.
Now, for those of you guys who have been following me for the longest, you guys know when I started trading Forex, when I came on YouTube, and how
And then started selling, getting into the mentorship, and getting into the education on the course selling. I mean, we saw your interview. We understand the process and how you know, got rich, in my opinion.
Help me!
So
Help me!
help me out, guys. If you're actually in this group, show us how it is, because some people send me some screenshots telling me it's just a bunch of trading view.
how far I've been able to take this Forex trading thing. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. And what I'm about to say here, I wish it upon every single Forex trader.
Is this teeth chipped? Does anyone see that? I've had $95 million like I made trading. There ain't no way. Oh well, my laptop's about to be plugged in. Give me a second, guys. Let me play a clip real quick. But usually when it comes to these type of traders, guys, we refer to people like Trader Nick.
There is absolutely no reason under the sun to pay for somebody's service, mentorship group, signal service, chat rooms, access, whatever, if they themselves can't prove that they actually make money trading.
All right, guys, give me like 1 second. I gotta plug my laptop in. But another thing is, like, it's very interesting when you start watching these type of individuals talk about trading. A lot of it is not being done live. So live streams are like an essential thing to help prove a lot of the stuff he's talking about. That's why.
I mentioned this in the past before. I'm not really a fan of live streaming trading on YouTube.
Why not? Why not?
These are something I'm strongly against, and for many reasons that only the more experienced traders will understand.
Wait. Time out.
Only the more experienced traders will understand.
Really?
Only the more experienced traders will understand.
All right, guys, I am back. Laptop is plugged in, ready to go. Sorry about that. So when it comes to him, like, I see that he talks about trading, talks about his top-down analysis, but a lot of it, I just don't ever see him actually trade, especially in his own groups. I just don't see it. What's up, Fafalis and Caleb? What's up, guys? Thank you guys for making the stream.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the new members.
Welcome.
And guys, remember,
Stop the cap.
You see, I've been able to make so much money from the Forex market, so much money that I've been able to invest in other things. The first thing I was able to invest in from proceeds from trading Forex was I started a prop firm. The prop firm is called Willis Capital, as you guys.
now another big issue with these influencers talking about prop firms or owning their own thing is makes it extremely difficult for transparency. Now, since they own it and they possibly trades on it, then it makes it even harder.
Guys know, right now, probably the biggest prop firm on the African continent. It is huge. Okay, so I've been busy building that, and it has finally gotten to the stage right now whereby Willis Capital is a standalone entity with well over 50 people working at Willis Capital, ensuring that they provide the best trading platform possible. And most recently, to God be the glory, because at the end of the day, I would like to believe that this is every Forex trader's dream, to be able to make a lot of money from.
I mean, this is not Forex trading when it comes to owning a prop firm. Typically, a lot of these guys on prop firms is not live data. So if we actually went to see if it's live data, is it simulated, and then to verify the business model is very easy. A bunch of losers pay off the winners. That's how the structure it is, because the majority is going to lose. I have beat this down to you guys so many times that prop firms are for people who are already profitable. If most people who are probably unprofitable coming from the African continent, feeding him even more money. Like, this is an easy revenue stream, especially when you got clout and you got a lot of people watching you.
From the market and be able to invest it in other passion projects that will ultimately make money for them while they're sleeping. Most recently, Willis Capital, the prop firm we started, has given birth to its own Forex broker. Can you believe a 17-year-old kid like my humble self, 13 years ago, I was 17 years old, I had this dream of trading Forex and all that. Who would have thought that 10 years down the line, I would now become, or I would have built entities that will have now become institutions within the $5 trillion a day industry. So what am I trying to say here in essence is, Forex traders, there's light at the end of the tunnel. stick with Forex trading, make money from Forex, and you can use this money to do other things. Some people, as well as not some people, Forex mastery students in particular, I've seen testimonials from them whereby money they made from trading Forex, they've actually redrawn it and they've invested in it.
So within a 5-minute span, we've already heard like of him talking 3 minutes of him talking about Forex mastery. Like when I really think about it, like when you start talking about him making a $1 million trading strategy and him getting into his going into his courses or his mastery, why is it so much more focused on that rather than the charts? That to me shows his focus is that he needs people to click the link below.
Different things. Some people have gone into property investment. Some people have bought 3 or 4 Ubers. There's one guy, he has a fleet of 5 Toyota Corollas for Ubers. I know one guy in Dubai, he's been able to open a restaurant. Forex mastery students. Okay, and at the end of the day, this is for everybody who's coming to the Forex market. This is your dream. This is the dream that I believe every Forex trader should be working towards. I just happen to love the industry so much that I used my money and I reinvested it back in the industry. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that the top-down analysis works. The approach to Forex trading that I just...
And if it does work, I would love to see it live. Show a P&L. Like if he's trading through his own broker or through his own platform, that's going to make the transparency even more difficult. And that's the type of thing that, like, when it comes to these influencers, when they start doing stuff like this, like Swaggy C, or like what Alex FG or Alex whatever his name is, FX has done, they'll do the same thing. Claim that they've created a prop firm, help out the people, but it is a money swindling. This is one of the easiest ways to make income, because
We are gonna be rich.
if I created a prop firm, all demo account, just paid out the people, like, you don't have to worry about it. And especially if it's simulated, you can modify the chart, since it's not live, to better your own pockets.
Just shared with you guys, whereby I'm able to project 1,000 to 2,000 pips into the future, and I have time to do other things. It works, and this is the most realistic approach. If you know you want to stand any chance at true financial freedom, because the truth is, always being in front of your screen isn't true financial freedom. You're still a slave. If you know you want this for...
Woo, throwing out some big words out there. Financial freedom, slave. Man, this is really good catching people who need money.
Forex thing to work for you, whereby you can trade once in a while and you spend less amount of time in the charts and making you all...
Wait, I think he spit on his own beard. Like, for someone who's worth 95 million, like, I'm just saying, tacky beard, chipped tooth, I mean...
This money that you can eventually use to invest and do different things. People are changing their parents' lives. If you want to stand any chance, I suggest, if you don't already have it, get the Forex Mastery Program.
He said click the link again. Now we're going to play our second clip, guys.
Click the link, please.
Oh, man. Dapo is one of my favorite guys to react to. This guy, come on now. Like, we're 6 minutes in. We're here to click the link multiple times. We're talking about, this is like a beaten down drum. Like, to me, when I start hearing people like, hey, click the link, I need the money. Will you sign up?
Gotcha, bitch.
Digest the top-down analysis strategy so that you can... This is 2025. Okay, give yourself 6, 7 months, 9 months, 12 months. Put yourself together. Once again, the link to the Forex Mastery Program is around here somewhere. And
God, another click the link. I'm talking about, like, we're not even 7 minutes in and we're talking about so many clicks. Oh my God. Stuff like this actually is like...
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
But for someone to be worth so much, like, I like the last interview with Words of Wisdom when asked him, if you're worth hundreds of millions of dollars, why do you harp on people joining your mastery program? Think about that. Like, to me, it's like that is where the hustle's at. That's where the actual money is coming in.
sure to get it. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to quickly say, obviously, get the Forex Mastery Program. First of all, link in the description around here. I also wanted to say,
God, I mean, when this guy makes, I gotta make like 4 more clips just for this guy, because like, this is insane. Like, we're 6 minutes, 7 minutes in, and he is like, I think, 8 times about clicking the link below. Or mastery program.
Willis Capital is the best prop firm out there. Recently, I started to notice a little something, and I'm going to be honest with you guys when it came to Willis Capital. I feel like a lot of traders were not educated on the exact rules when it came to how the system works in terms.
And that's how these prop firms get you. They make it very difficult and complex to get money out. That's how they make, these rules are set intentionally difficult to make more money for themselves. Like, so that's why, like, when I hear people like, oh, I'm a new trader, I should try to prop firm. Start with a demo account or start with your own live funds. Don't shove money down their throats and down their pockets. So you do like 10 funded accounts or attempts and you burn your account and then you get like 1 withdrawal. Like, this doesn't equate. So that's why I tell people, like, to me, this is not the most intelligent way.
Of the trading rules and trading conditions. So most recently, I obviously instructed them out in the office. I don't really do most of the day-to-day runnings anymore. I've built it. It's been operational for over 1 year, 6 months. As a matter of fact, I will not be CEO of Willis Capital forever. I'll be taking several steps back to assume the role of founder so that I can come back to the trading Forex and be here. I love
to make the real money.
Allegedly, that's ignorant.
Because he wants. I mean, I when I start hearing people who own big platforms that are, you know, supposedly that they're trading, and we don't see any like P&Ls, we don't see any filing. Like, if you're talking about $95 million having a big organization, where's the filing for the stuff? Like, I went through his own country trying to find out this stuff, and I'm like, it feels to me like this is all a demo account.
To be in front of the charts. I love YouTube. I want to come back here and be more active. So there's a very
please make more videos, please. I love your videos, man.
very top line management team, very experienced people. Willis Capital, there are over 50 people there. But whilst I'm still involved in the day-to-day running of things, I instructed them that they should make the rules as clear as possible. I'll give you an example. Hedging is not allowed on Willis Capital's prop trading platform because we look at it as you trying to circumvent the system. Another thing I wanted to quickly
oh my God.
highlight was the fact that there are no human beings that are actively looking at your trades. Everything is automated. So if you break a rule, automatically that account gets breached. In summary, if you follow the rules that Willis Capital has set, all the guidelines, and you trade properly, you click your payout, you will get your money like this. I wanted to quickly put this disclaimer out there because I have put my name behind these brands. And you guys know I am not just Mr. $95 million, but I am Mr. Integrity. Very, very important. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, if you want to even be able to pass your Willis Capital prop firm challenge, you need to have a very good understanding of Forex. And what's the best strategy, guys?
Oh my God. You need to have a very good understanding about Forex. I wonder what he's got to say. Is he about to say, come on now, don't do it now. Don't.
The top-down analysis is making people a lot of money. Don't miss out on it. Click the
I do not want to look dumb. I don't like looking dumb.
Oh, here, guys, for the people who didn't show up. Guys, here.
Click the link, please.
God, we're 9 minutes in. I think. Oh, so 8, 9, almost 10 references. It's like once every few minutes, like a minute. Come on now.
Link down below. Get yourself the Forex Mastery course. I would also be leaving the link down to Willis Capital prop account. Get the course, understand it, digest it very well, and get yourself a prop account. And education plus funding equals to riches. All right, guys, enough of all.
Close to riches for him, because.
Oh yes, the victim. At what point does personal responsibility become a factor in this equation?
Listen, guys, if someone is talking about clicking the link every few minutes, click the link, click the link, click the link, click the link. Oh my God, I gotta make another clip like this. Click the link. We know that this guy is desperate for money. That's why he's. I mean, to me, when you have a big platform and you're on YouTube and you're making this type of content consistently, and you're like, oh man, all I gotta do is say, you know, click the link as many times as possible. Come on now, like, to me, it's like, just get to the trading. Let's go.
All of this. Let's dive into the video. Let's look at some charts. Let us explode. Let's freaking go. Let's make some money. Bam. All right, people. All right, traders. Welcome in.
No way. We're on TradingView. Oh my God. We're not on like a live trading chart. We're not on Willis Capital.
Out of my screen. Let's get straight to business. Okay, some chart work. This is what we've been waiting for. I mean, this is what everybody knows Dapo Willis for, Trader Talk. Like I said in the intro of this video, your boy is back. I'm done trying to put all the pieces together for Willis Capital and W markets. Like, everything is running smoothly, to God be the glory. Like, everything's moving just fine. So now I can finally come back on the chart and do what I enjoy doing the most, which is trading Forex.
Go on.
Primarily, I'm a technical analyst. Now, that being said, let's see what's happening. So the first, before I get into the nitty-gritties of today, there's something that I need to first of all highlight. Now, before I touch any pair, we must first of all look into the dollar index.
Okay, that's actually
I
some
feel
good
like this is a
information
very
right there.
vital piece of.
If you're going to be trading something, I would look at the dollar index to see your overall direction. But remember, the dollar index is a basket of currencies that is measured against. So it's very interesting that he goes that route. But we can probably skip a little bit ahead to see where he's going with it.
I must tell you for free, because I mean, wasn't it a no-brainer? Like, Euro USD, were you not supposed to come down and complete here and come down here for parity? Like, why are you coming here? Like, are you an evil spirit? As a matter of fact, the Euro USD has been possessed by demons. I can tell you for free, Euro dollar has officially been possessed by demons, because why are you coming?
Stop the cap.
So does Warren Buffett talk like this? Does he like, oh man, Pepsi's possessed by demons? Like, come on. Like, to me, when I start hearing traders talk like this, I'm like, this is possibly not a trader at all. This guy is a very good entertainer. Like, entertaining, making snippets like that to me is like, come on, let's get to the trading, show us your actual entries and exits. I mean, we're on the monthly, and he went back in time. So if you didn't notice, he went back and he kind of sped up a little bit, because see how this candle went from here to here? So this is very interesting. He goes this route.
I mean, I'd like to have a look as to what exactly is going on. And from what I can see, this is why a lot of traders have been struggling. The stop losses, the traders getting stopped at is...
I mean, if you have to really think about it, if you're trading on the monthly, like really think about it, and you're on a prop firm, you don't have much wiggle room, like much drawdown. So if you're trading on the monthly and you're taking these big swings, like for example, if you're taking 2 months, 3 months down, that's hundreds or even thousands of pips. Because you're talking about long-term trading. If you're looking at the monthly, can your prop firm handle that with that drawdown? And like, that's to me, like, when I start really thinking about, like, that's a good way for him to just get them burn their accounts, and then you guys then them get even more money, because
Screw you guys. I'm going home.
this guy's gonna make as much money as possible from this.
wild. Okay, it's not your prop firm. It's not your prop firm trying to stop you out. Willis Capital is not out there trying to stop anybody out. Like, you guys have just been having trading issues with the market because the Euro USD isn't trending. And, you know, looking at this range right about here, a shout out to all the Willis Capital traders who are able to actually extract their payouts by trading profitably. Shout out to you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. I see your payouts. They're looking nice. They're looking rich. They're looking healthy. But I feel like more traders would have been getting their payouts if this mess wasn't happening. There's rubbish going on in the market right now. And unfortunately, if you're not a Forex mastery student, navigating this price action will be an absolute...
God, we're fucking, what is it, 13 minutes in, and he just refers back to the same crap. Like, to me, it's like, come on now.
That is one big pile of shit.
Like, here's an idea. I'm just gonna start creating videos on TradingView, and every few minutes I'm just gonna be like, guys, click the link below, guys, click the link below. And what you guys should do is click this link below, because what? I need you guys to subscribe.
I don't think so. No.
Subscribe now.
No. It's never, ever gonna happen.
But besides the subscribing link, and you guys should do, is that when I start listening to this, like, you really start to analyze, it's like not much has been said. Like, we're oh shoot, the video is longer than that, but we're 13 minutes in, nearly halfway through this video, and has anyone got any real value outside of,
we are gonna be rich
if you click the link below?
Absolute struggle for you. Now, let me simply explain what's happening. You see, since 1st of February 2023, so we're looking at 2 years now. From 2 years ago, Euro dollar has been in this nasty range. That's why people have started Forex and have quit within these 2 years, because the Euro USD has just been in this nasty range for God knows how long. And for every time we've tried to break above or break below, it just hasn't been happening. That's why you see signal groups are clashing. Yes, one person is saying buy, one person is saying sell. I see them. One person is saying buy, one person is saying sell, because, you know, we have divergent opinions simply because, I mean, nobody really knows where the market is going to. For the first time in a long time, it was about time for Euro USD to break out. And I'm going to tell you what's going to happen next shortly, but I need to give you some background story as to what exactly is going on. So for the first time, it looked like it was time for Euro USD to break out at the downside. But we got here and started to turn around for no reason, for reasons best known to Euro USD. If I look back, maybe there might be a reason if there was a level that was going to hold. It wasn't anything.
He's going back to 2020. Back to 2001, 2003. Like, you have to really think about this. If you're making thousands of pips trading like this, your capital would have to be immense, like very, very large. So how much is he in drawdown?
Thing significant, to be honest. If I look back to historical price action, the market just wasn't interested, and I should have known. Now there's another thing I have discovered just recently is anytime we break a level like this and we pull back, what ideally is if we don't start dropping and start making lower lows and then we just come, anytime you see the market, oops, sorry guys, this is supposed to be on parity. Anytime you see the market just come and just start playing around here, let me zoom in. We just come to a level like just stick. We just stick. Especially when the market's supposed to come, you just stick. Let's go to the daily so you can see what I'm saying a bit better. You see how Euro USD just came, stayed here, like you had several opportunities to collapse. You touched it, drop. Okay, drop. Anytime you see the market just come and stick to a level like this, what's happening is this is just a fake bottom. Sorry, I don't know why.
Wait, go back to that. Let's go back like a few seconds. Wait, what was that? Go ad free. He's on a basic plan. If I had $95 million and I'm doing all my analysis on TradingView, and I can't, oh my god.
This is just a fake bottom. So I don't know why TradingView has all these pop-ups that are happening now. I think it's telling me to go for the premium package. I think I'll have to do that. I never knew there was a premium package, but after this, I would have to.
You never knew, and you make a ton of videos on TradingView. There ain't no way. Come on now, like.
Stop the cap.
Not because it's annoying me. It's annoying me. Whatever you guys want TradingView, I'll pay because you guys have the best charting software ever.
So he says that they have the best charting software ever, and this is like another indication how you can tell someone who doesn't trade. Like this is like a clear indication. They have the best charting software out there, so he uses it constantly, but doesn't know this is a premium or there's a paid version of it.
Stop the cap.
I don't think he actually trades. I think he's very good at selling and then gets people to click the link below. Once they join, creates a mastery program kind of similar to like Baby Pips, and then that and just duplicates the same cycle over and over again.
And once again, guys, for those of you who are Willis Capital prop account traders, you know that your chatting platform is TradingView. So you guys have the best chatting platform.
So he knows about it then. If he made the prop firm using TradingView, how did he not know? God, like.
Stop the cap.
Once again, if you don't have a Willis Capital prop account, click the link down below and get your.
God, wait. So 10, 11, maybe 12 to 13 times. So nearly every 1 minute on this 16-minute video, he talks about clicking the link below.
One, so that you can obviously stand a chance of cashing out. So back to what I was saying. You see the market just comes and glues to this area. Usually we just break back inside. It's always a no-brainer. Anyways, to summarize what's happening on Euro USD right now, we're back in this nasty range. Unfortunately, people, we're back in this range. But in order for me to be able to determine clearly where Euro USD is going to go next, I would like to check the dollar index. So if I come over to the dollar index, DXY, just to have a look as to what's happening, I'm going to clear out everything on my charts like so, remove all drawings, and I'm just going to have a look. So the same thing is, for those of you guys who do not know, the dollar index is Euro USD turned upside down. It's as simple as that. Yep. Euro USD is bearish, or rather at the bottom. You guys have a background knowledge of what exactly is going on in the Forex market, so that you can use this to guide your. In this video.
Let me reread this thing. It says, best Forex pairs to trade in 2025 for massive profits. $1 million trading strategy. Has he really gotten into the strategy? Like, where's your entry going to be?
But at the time, Forex.com, you're not advertising on my shit, guys. The best broker in the world is W Markets, period.
If you don't, this is why I swear I know he doesn't trade. Because everyone knows that there's pop-ups and they're always asking you to do the premium account on TradingView. How do you not know this? Unless you don't use it.
And the best prop firm is Willis Capital, period. Get out of here. So yeah, links to everything in the description. You guys know we have the best.
God, come on now. Like, how I need like 10 to 15 like different clips.
Click the link below. Hurry up now. Click the link below, please. Why aren't you clicking the link? Click the link below now.
This is crazy. Like, what's we at 15 maybe? 15 to 16? Like, I actually gotta write this down. There's so many times.
Of course, the best prop and the best broker. All the links will be in the description. I'll drop everything right about there. So yeah, But this video primarily is for the Forex Mastery students because they know exactly what I'm talking about. Top-down analysis. You see how I'm taking my time to break down this chart and give you guys a clear understanding. The top-down.
Where will you enter? Just show us that, like anything.
Analysis people, the Forex Mastery students, they understand this shit.
Holy crap, man. Like, I think I can skip like a good 2 minutes. Let's see what he says.
So if you're not a student, to grab it right now because
God, I just randomly, remember guys, this is my first time checking out this video. I just skipped nearly 2 minutes and he's reselling the mastery program, reselling the same crap because he doesn't trade.
Stop the cap.
All he does is sell. He's all
Bullshit!
and
Surprise, motherfucker.
why do you think it's that? Because it's an easiest way of making income. Get someone to buy into something that's already digital products is something that's an easy business. Long as someone can keep clicking the link below, it can just regurgitate over and over and over again.
your boy is about to update the Forex Mastery program for real this time. So yeah. So I'm just simply gonna wait for us to push here and then pull back into here and then jump on this. So that's gonna be my technique for euro dollar. Go for the 4-hour time frame. I'm just gonna wait for that patiently and nicely for us to pull back, and then I'm going to jump on that. Is as easy as that.
Okay, so wait for the pullback. What are your capital or size? How big is your risk? Like, think about these. We're talking about, so these candles are on the daily. He was looking at the weekly. So if it does trend down negatively for like a week or two, is he staying in the trade? How much capital or how many entries is he putting in there? Like, these are like some basic questions that we don't get from Dapo. Dapo usually says top-down analysis, and I'm like, okay, that's cool. Anyone can say, okay, on the monthly they're heading up higher. Maybe it's gonna hit this resistance or support, whatever direction, right? And then you're like, where's your actual entry at? Like, is that actually gonna be shown?
That you can see how this curve is beautiful. I'll be waiting for my own beautiful curve, obviously to the upside, and we can sort out.
What happens if it doesn't do a pullback? So for example, option 1, he says if it does a pullback, you'll enter. Option 2, if it just keeps on going up, when do you enter?
USD in that regard. Now, understanding what's happening with the dollar index now gives us further information as to what will also be happening across the other pairs. What's simply going to happen is other pairs are definitely going to strengthen over. They are going to strengthen over the US dollar. Same thing with GBP USD as well.
I mean, like, if you
Same
really
thing
start
with
to think
GBP
about
USD
it,
as well.
like, these are monthly candles, right? Like, from 2022 to 2023, there is no real significant move in it doing a pullback, right? What happens if this continues? There's no pullback. Where are you going to enter? Like, just logical things that people would ask themselves if they're trading. Like, hey, if there's no pullback, I'm going to enter on a buy stop. These are massive amount of candles. So you're talking about huge stop losses. And this is why, to me, like, when I don't hear him talk about risk or stop losses or anything like that, target profits, this is a more clear indication that he doesn't trade.
I foresee GBP USD strengthening significantly across board. As you can see, finally have some clear path to the upside. All of this being judged based upon what the dollar index is doing. I see no reason why this pair shouldn't rally all the way to the upside. So GBP USD, I'm bullish. Euro USD, I'm bullish. I will be coming back in subsequent weeks to obviously pinch out and look out for potential trading opportunities. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't want to confuse us today on the charts we're looking at. I don't want to go into BTC, US oil. I'm going to save S&P 500 and gold for the subsequent videos. I wanted to quickly go over the majors at the moment and speak. This is enough trading opportunity for you guys. So yeah, once again, ladies and gentlemen, like I always say to you guys, I encourage you guys to go ahead and grab the Forex Mastery program. The link is in the description as always.
God, come on. Like, I think this video could have been summed up like this. Hey guys, I'm going to tell you to click the link about 10 to 15, maybe 20. Every 1 minute is going to be a combination of the Forex Mastery program and the prop firm. So click the link below. And then basically I wait for a pullback on the higher time frames. And then I'm going to buy buy or sell bit depending on the direction. And I get in on the pullbacks. Completely. I just saved you guys a whole bunch of time because
What the hell was that?
this was a bunch of shit.
Why? Because it opens your eyes. You're able to zoom out. You're able to see things clearly. This is the best strategy for you to use to pass your challenge, to be honest. You can see in less than how many minutes.
This is the best strategy to pass your challenge. Like, he's really encouraging and really trying to get people to sign up for as many things as they can. The Forex Mastery program and the prop firm challenge. When we know statistically the majority are not going to even pass. We're talking about maybe 1 to 3% will get a payout. Maybe 1%.
So we've broken down the Forex market. We've been able to have a clear idea or a clear path as to what's going to happen next. Now for Euro USD, I feel like this pullback might probably steep down a bit lower. But bro, this is looking bullish. We are looking bullish. We're looking bullish all the way to the upside, to be honest. So Euro USD bullish, GBP USD bullish. Let me see if I'm going to quickly jump into any other chart. S&P 500 is probably taking profit. Yeah, massive consolidation because the US economy right now is, I mean, it's great, but when you have a lot of uncertainty because of obviously all the sanctions that Donald Trump is imposing on all their trading partners, people tend to get, because let me tell you one thing about these tariffs here. As you can see, we have already broken the inner trend line, so the S&P 500 might roll over all the way down to the next demand zone, which is 5,377 basis points. If that happens, that's going to make headlines. That's going to be a huge tumble, man. That's going to be at least $250 billion being wiped out from the US stock market. That's going to be crazy. Donald is not going to have a fun day that day. But technically, I can see. But if I do something like this and capture the outer part of this, but even at that, we still have room to the downside. So, it's not looking good for the S&P 500. I think it's officially well, I mean, we've been riding the S&P 500 wave from here. I've been long S&P thanks to the top-down analysis.
I like this. He says he's been long down here. Now, if anyone claims to be making massive amounts of money, especially that he's in the cap, he has been down from the 4,000s. I would love to see that, because a lot of these guys, they'll claim it and be like, what, I'm trading all this stuff, but hey, you gonna show a P&L?
I know, it's embarrassing, but I simply can't help myself.
No, it's just gonna be more of this. Click the link below. Let's see if he says that right after this. Let's see.
I've been buying S&P 500 from here to here. S&P 500 contributed to about 85% of what made me my $95 million last year. Yeah. I was just riding from here, buying here. I was just buying all the pullbacks. So, I mean, profit taking is natural. It's probably most likely going to happen. But this is one thing I want you to learn as Forex traders and as technical analysts. You see how we've looked at it? Profit taking, one of those things. When it hits the news, when this market eventually starts reversing to the downside, when the news people start talking about it, they're like, oh my God, the US economy is
don't forget the X.
and talking so much shoot and blah, 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 blah. They're not technical analysts. Those people on TV that are alarmists. We see what's happening. We'll come with you and collect it. So this is why it's very important for you to have the skill to be able to read the charts and interpret the charts in the best way possible. And what better way to do it than the top-down analysis? Because
boom, I knew it. I knew he's gonna segue into it. I haven't even seen this video, and I knew it's like, hey guys, I made $95 million and I entered around here, and yeah, I've been dollar cost average, basically entering on the pullbacks. Click the link below. Does that make sense? I mean, we got a whole bunch of comments, guys. Sorry, I've been ignoring them a little bit. We got Tom Falcon. What's up, man? Welcome to the program.
Welcome.
Thank you guys for making it.
Thank you very much.
We got Dapo Willis. What the F? No way, 95 million. He's been calling the bottom on the S&P 500. Interesting. Let's see if he takes a short and takes actual real money on it.
You can see imagine I'm telling you what's going to happen on the news a week before it happens. Like a magician. It's magic. It's magic. Just watch out. Provided the S&P is broken below this, right? Provided we close below, especially this minus support zone here, which is already looking like it has. All right. Provided we stay below and melt down. We're melting down here. Okay. We're going to clear at least 400 points. 400 points of the S&P 500. That's a lot. 400 basis points. People gonna go crazy. So I mean, with simple top-down analysis, we're already predicting what the news people can't even see. That's why when they call me on news stations and podcasts and I'm telling them what's going to happen, everyone's like, oh my God, you're a magician. You're a genius. You're this. Nah, bro. It's just a top-down analysis. Okay, so if you want to be a genius, if you want to be a magician, bro, we're coming down. I'm going to be dropping on officially down start trading on the brokerage platform because it has trading view as well. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys very much. Thank you for sticking to the very end. Euro USD bullish, GBP USD bullish, S&P 500 bearish. These are the three pairs I'll be focusing on throughout the rest, at least. People, thank you very much for staying to this end of this very video. I love you guys very much. Ensure to smash the subscribe button right down there.
You subscribe to his channel. No, it's not happening. You subscribe to my channel.
I don't think so. No.
Subscribe now.
No. It's never, ever gonna happen.
Thank you guys for making it, guys. It's been a lot of fun. I love checking on Dapo's stuff. I mean, to me, it's all.
Stop the cap.
It's like, come on now. Like, we can do better than this, guys. Like, I know that these type of people always talk about clicking the link below, getting you guys to sign up for whatever program. I mean, to me, it's an easy setup. Get people in Africa who's probably not doing the best financially. Click the link below to enrich this individual. This is how this stuff works out, man. It's absolutely annoying because he could have done this live, showed us how his actual trading is done, get into the weeds of trading, but no, he actually does this whole thing about saying click the link below nearly 1 time per minute. 1 time per minute. Like, we know that his objective is to get people to buy his crap, because like this is why like these type of scammers.
That was light work. Whose ass am I gonna beat next? Because they not ready for these hands.
This is why we make this type of content, just to expose these fraudsters, because all they want to do is get as much money as they can, especially when it's the same 2 things. Let's see. We got his Forex mastery program. It's $100, proven and tested, from Dapo Willis. Recorded videos, $100. Mastery program, actually, where's his prop firm at? Here we go, Willis Capital. Affiliate link. This is like, to me, like, I understand that he has to have all this, but like the entire process of doing this over and over and over again. Oops, wrong button, wrong keyboard. Let me see. Let's see how much this stuff is. Phase 1, 70%, $35. Let's say, let's go for the full 100,000, $450. That's probably very significant for people in Africa. Like this stuff is, to me, is like predatory, because constantly getting people to say all this stuff, like, and no one's asking any questions. Like, bro, like, here, I'll actually put it in here. People once per minute. Let's see. Let's see if anyone else. Let's see if anyone sees this. I hope he doesn't delete it. Like, this to me, like, is actually annoying. Like, it's all about getting people to buy. Buy. A 5-year-old can draw trend lines. Yeah, I mean, I agree. People can draw trend lines, and then, but for him, Dapo does it a little bit differently. Dapo does this. Click the link below. Trend lines mastery program. You will be rich. That's his whole setup. Like, it's absolutely annoying, you know. But guys, that's the video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thanks for chilling with me. I'm gonna check the comments real quick. He's been calling for the bottom of the SP 500. Interesting. What do you think about Drew Weiss Banks? A 5-year-old can draw. Actually, let's check this person out. If any questions on this video, let me know. If you guys want me to add any more clips, let me know. Drew Banks. Give me a second. Who is this person here? I don't know if I have him on the list. All right. Drew Banks, 30-year-old full-time Forex trader in Miami, Florida. So let's see what he sells. Does he sell anything? Let me see. Live. Oh, he was live streaming 6 hours ago. A month ago. How many live streams he actually has? Has anyone actually seen his live streams? Let me see. 2 months ago. So I don't know if this guy's legit or not.
Dickhead.
We're on TradingView.
The fuck? We talk about whatever we got to talk about tomorrow on the live trading show. But that's what.
Is it actual live trading?
Crashing out on your. I can't tell me that's not good risk to reward. I don't.
Sway charts. Interesting. Broker I use is Sway Markets. Free signals. I mean, I don't know if this guy's legit or not, but I just, like, when I start looking at stuff like this, I always analyze what's happening. So it looks like it's all free so far. This Dapo Willis' stuff. Mozzie Trades. I know who Mozzie Trades is. I mean, she's one of the most more attractive. Mozzie Trades. Check her out real quick. Ooh, man, that's a big claim. Big. $43,000 in trading. I think I made 2 videos
Hi guys,
on there.
welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna go through some live trades that I've taken over the past couple of days. So today is Wednesday, February 26th. The trade that I posted, Let's see the NASDAQ.
Oh, she's in Thinkorswim. There's a lot of, oh, I remember this. I remember the video I made about her. Actually, if you don't know, I made a couple videos, and this one took a little bit long because I was going through her her account numbers and stuff to show like consistency. Like we go through here. Let me see. So you guys want to check out? I made 2 videos on her. One 6 months ago, one 9 months ago, and stuff. To me, I think she is. The evidence to me doesn't show that she actually trades. But if you guys think otherwise, let me know. I mean, I can make an updated video on her, like a double exit. It's just that a lot of this stuff isn't, since it's not live streamed and I can't see long-term breakdowns of her P&L, it makes it incredibly difficult to verify a lot of these claims. But when I started looking at her sales, and you know the sales part is extremely high, it was like, was it $2,000 at the time? Give me a second. So it's probably not there anymore. So we'll check that out. I mean, I can make an updated video, but let me see. What is this clip right here? Instagram, Twitter. What is this link? Start your journey today. Join her Discord. Oh, wow. I was right. Yeah, it was $2,000 with a one-time fee. Get it for deeply discounted for more than 50% off. I mean, like, just check out the checklist, guys. Like, she's already checking off a whole bunch of stuff that's, like, BS to me. But, yeah. That's the way it is. But I don't know about this guy here. Mozzie Trades, to me, fails. But, yeah, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys like the new clips, let me know. The new clips, I'm going to add some more entertaining ones. And if you guys want me to make something, let me know. But hit me up in the Discord, guys. I will see you guys on the flip side. And thank you.
Goodbye, everyone. I'll remember you all in therapy.
Peace. Let me see.